The most practical advantage of wood furniture is its strength. Hardwood tabletops, desktops, and shelves won't sag over time the way cheaper woods like plywood, particleboard, and fiberboard can. It can maintain that strength for decades. Century-old furniture is routinely found in usable condition in attics and basements. The greatest advantage of wooden furniture, though, lies in its enduring look and appeal. The grain and tones of genuine hardwood bring warmth and character to any room. When finished correctly, solid wood has a luster that can't be matched by a veneer. Even when the finish of wood furniture isn't properly maintained, it still looks attractive. It's why shabby chic furniture with a distressed finish is a part of the modern rustic look, which continues to grow in popularity. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Thanks to its lasting strength and enduring beauty, damaged hardwood furniture can usually be fully repaired or restored with the right tools and skills. Finished wood can withstand years of wear and tear from even the most rambunctious family. Scratches and scuff marks can be sanded out, the old finish can be removed and replaced with a new one. There is no reason why natural wood shouldn't take pride of place in every room of your house. Your living area will probably have bookshelves, a TV stand, a fire surround, whether your fire is solid fuel, gas, or electric, display cabinets, and many other things. Your bedroom will definitely have a bed, and perhaps a dressing table and wardrobe, while your bathroom may have a large or small cabinet for towels or toiletries. There are some excellent pieces of wooden furniture even for your patio and backyard. As a matter of fact, there are many DIY projects on how to make a picnic table for your backyard. All these can be obtained in your choice of wood. Wood is simple to care for. Regular dusting with a soft cloth, old t-shirts are ideal, will keep it looking great. You can also buy treated cloths for your wooden furniture. Wood with a polished finish benefits from natural wax polish rather than silicone sprays. It is best not to clean wood, especially untreated wood, with water. This is because it is very absorbent. However, for sticky spills, a soft cloth dipped in detergent diluted with water can be used. Clean it off quickly and then dry thoroughly. On the other hand, iron furniture is prone to rusting over a period of time even it has been painted. It goes without saying that most of us, when furnishing our living spaces, want a home that is comfortable, stylish, and which reflects our personality. That is why we are going to discuss here the advantages of wooden furniture. While you will be aware that there is a massive choice when it comes to furniture, there is little doubt that natural wood is a great choice. Wood comes in two types, softwood and hardwood. Softwoods include pine and cedar and are usually of a lighter color, which becomes darker and richer in tone when exposed to light. While softwoods are prone to scratches and marking, this can add to the character of the piece of furniture, and can give a rustic feel to your decor. Hardwoods include oak, cherry, teak, rosewood and mahogany. Hardwood trees are slow-growing, so the wood tends to be more expensive. It is also usually darker. Very hard-wearing, it keeps its rich appearance indefinitely. Furniture made from these woods are extremely durable and last for generations. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.